The most important thing is to feel safe. But it's not always possible now. You can find yourself in a threatening situation. You can meet a stranger in the lift, or meet school bullies on your way home. You can walk your dog on a lonely road and feel you are being watched. A mugger can try to snatch your bag. A mugger can snatch your bag. A mugger might want to snatch your bag. Should you put up a fight? No, don't take risks. Use your common sense. To avoid a possible attack, you should walk in well-lit streets, always have a mobile phone with you, sit near the driver on public transport, take a self-defense class. What would you do in the following situations? The man in the lift makes you feel uneasy. School bullies insult you. You have to go home alone at night. A mugger snatches your bag. Don't think you can beat your attacker with an expert karate kick. You should take self-defense classes to do that. An instructor will teach you special techniques. Contact the police station or local community center to find out where you can get a class.